Okay, guys. Out of the 5 of us here, only 2 of us have seen this show.
Okay.
This show will make you regret all of your life choices.
Reese, I'm just as much of a miserable motherfucker as you are.
They already regret all of my life choices.
Okay.
You know who I am.
I'll probably dislike it, but I won't feel any strong emotion.
Are you sure about that?
Are you sure about that?
So you won't feel it because of the show. You'll feel it because of how much you genuinely just dislike it. Continue.
Okay. I feel like I've said enough. Starting in 3, 2, 1,
Popcorn would have been perfect.
go.
Up in the morning and out to school.
Yeah, schools can be like that.
Beautiful.
Is this our pro tag?
Yes, this is our pro tag.
Whoa,
Ito Makoto.
We're so pumped to be in our last year of middle school.
Are you ready to hate it? I hate it. In the school, the 3 guys met. Their relation has been changed in the thing. That's a great shatter effect, boys! They say 3 guys, but I'm not sure. No, there's only 2 guys. That's not how it works. Well, maybe. Then we have this conversation in the DM.
Conversation. You don't know a lot of things about social life.
Yeah, I don't.
And you know what? Most of you not knowing it is you not knowing it for a good reason. It shouldn't exist.
Teenagers suck.
Teenagers are terrible.
It's not just teenagers.
Oh, it's the moral of the show.
Humans are terrible.
Zawardo! JoJo reference! Oh, hey, Zetai Ryuke, whatever it's called.
Why does he have that as like his phone background?
Because it's like it's an
urban myth where if you keep someone on your phone for long enough, they will
Keep
fall
them
in
locked
love with
inside
you.
your phone.
Oh, so will Lukunda fall in love with me? Please?
Also, here's a fun fact. Makoto is voiced by Kakuin's voice actor.
Wait.
Yes.
Wait, our MC has
There are only
Yes,
3
Kakuin's
voice actors
voice.
who exist in Japan. So
Wait.
This was 7 years...
That guy?
Yes, this guy.
Okay.
Whose
I
voice...
thought you were talking about the girl.
No.
that would be even more interesting.
Yeah, bagger, paper or plastic.
Literally.
why does
Are you feeling biodegradable today, bitch?
You're made of meat, so you should probably go in plastic.
I know you're only half baked. Get in the bag.
Also, Crunchyroll's ads are actual cancer. They play like 4 of them, and they're all like a minute
8 of
long.
them, and they're all exactly the same.
Yes.
They're all the same.
Yeah, of course.
Buy Crunchyroll Premium if you want to avoid this.
Hey, Crunchyroll, sponsor us.
Oh, that's tasteful! That is tasteful, you guys.
Yes, it's time to stop!
I can see that the writers of this show are men of culture too.
Yes. Shoot yourself. Oh, he just shot the TV. He just shot it again.
Really?
Don't shoot the breasts.
I just tried to shoot them. Oh shoot, it fell behind the couch.
This is a great commentary. You
Yeah,
don't
we're
need to
totally
retrieve the bullets
focusing
now.
on the
It's
show.
gonna ruin the recording.
But women are the superior race. I mean, gender, and we should, and all of the others should die.
Well, I mean,
Oh.
It's time to stop!
It has begun!
Censor.
You
The
found
decline has begun!
I
They
forgot
kiss.
that happened in the first episode.
They kiss, and then she says, "Good luck with your date."
Yes!
Yeah.
What the heck?
That is this show!
That is a thing that happens sometimes. Actually, not very much.
She doesn't have eyes!
Actually, it's
Yeah.
really shitty when that happens.
So what'd you guys think of the first episode?
Nothing happened.
Yeah, that's about it.
Can we not?
No, we're going to.
Fine.
It'll be fun because we're all doing it together.
That's fine.
Listen, I have never subjected anyone else to anything in this room. I have to sit through so many fucking monster movies. I will watch what you want later, but you're watching this.
You're watching Utopia.
There has been an awakening.
Complete of love. Complete of love!
Yeah.
Oh yes.
And change titles.
Bakari Sweet.
His legs are too long!
That's why he drinks Bacardi.
He has like straps wrapped around his kneecaps. Did you see that?
You know you gotta strap your caps.
Smooth fucking moves.
Why is the art style so much different from the
Why is
actual
he
show?
looking at them while he's on a date?
Yeah, honest to fucking
What
God.
are you...
Maybe
This
because
girl
they're
is not
adults.
like that. You either have to know something about this girl that makes us think, yeah, that's okay to do that with this person, or you're just a fucking brick with an innocent girl.
Wait, no, I'm supposed to be hating it. Hang on.
Oh, it's an initial D face.
That's actually 100% accurate.
Something you'll notice about the direction with this show is that there's a lot of sideways panning. Like they have the frame at a 90-degree angle, and they just pan to the right, to the left.
Yay for saving money.
Days!
Sukuru Deizu!
What do you expect to happen if you get kissed by someone else and then go on a date? Where the fuck's your head gonna be at? Oh yeah, I want to focus on this person I'm on a date with, even though I just had an intimate reaction with someone else.
His fingers.
Oh look, and there's the thought.
Okay, I'll say right now, they went with the worst ending in the visual novel.
Okay.
Yeah, I hope that's the worst ending.
It is the worst ending.
Good.
In a visual novel known for its horrible endings, this one is considered the worst.
Like, worst as in, like, actually it's terribly written?
It's the worst possible outcome.
Okay.
Whoa.
They weren't trying to make it intentionally terribly written, but that's what it comes off as to me.
Okay.
What's wrong with you?
You have lines.
She kind of has a resting bitch face.
I think resting bitch face is great. People just leave you alone.
December
and then taking
25th.
a shower is fine. It takes you...
This is tasteful. Play it on repeat.
Oh my god!
This is gonna be a great commentary. I can
No,
tell
you needed the Child Protective Services right there.
the Child Protective Services.
Let me take the innocent one to a horror movie.
Well, she wanted to go to it.
But they're not.
He just didn't pay any fucking attention.
My question is, why didn't you bring her to a horror movie if that's what you want to go see?
She never said she wanted to go.
She looked like she wanted to see it, but
She
he was.
looked up at the billboard. and
He
that's
made.
it.
He made the assumption that she wanted to see the love movie, the
No, I
fucking
think he
romantic
made- I think he
comedy
was just like, no,
drama.
we have to. It's a date. You have to do lovey stuff.
Well, this establishes that he doesn't give a shit about what she thinks. He's just doing what the
Wait a
book is
minute,
telling him to
they're
read.
eating her. And then they're
But
gonna
eat
eat
me! Oh my god!
Man, this is a great commentary.
Nobody in this show has fucking common sense, and it's so frustrating. Perfectly timed!
Some stop that.
No, it's like I could only watch like MGM cartoons because everything else was too violent.
You already told the story.
Yeah, I just.
It's
why?
like super violent.
Recording.
Well, I guess people at home need to know.
Yeah,
The people at home, all five.
all 5 of our viewers.
Yeah.
We thank you.
Thanks for
Oh,
watching.
you mean all of
Lord
us.
X.
Hey, thanks for
Thank you,
watching
that's
this far. Remember to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching,
That's my
Edgelord X17.
Go to just one
I'm
of
sorry that you had to watch this shit and listen to these
Go to
idiots.
my MySpace
Thanks.
account and follow me.
Including me.
Could be like, oh.
Are you retarded? Yes.
Oh my god!
Fucking roasted. Oh
Who's
boy,
this person?
it's middle school Kohai.
We've never met this person before.
Oh, you'll get to know her.
Characters are arguably too interesting.
She's got a little bit of a stage 7.5.
No, it's more of an 8.
Yeah, what about you? Nobody cares. You are best friend character in harem anime.
He's dumb. He's a brick.
Well, he's aggressive because he thinks, like, doing this at this specific time is okay when the other partner is obviously not okay with it. So yeah, he is dumb.
But both of you are dumb.
Is there anything special in this anime? Is it just like a slice of life thing?
Oh, you'll see. You'll fucking
What?
see.
You don't know what you're getting into.
You don't know.
I only know the end. I don't know what happens at
The
5.
ride until then. Also, look at that 90-degree. Anyways, I'm probably gonna flip this in post so that it looks natural.
Oh fuck.
I got
They're
water
gonna
on my
remain
face.
friends, aren't they?
The original visual novel is a hentai game, by the way.
Hentai games.
Whoa, really?
Yes, really.
PS2.
For the PS2?
It was censored on the PS2, but
Okay.
for the original PC release, it was indeed an H game. Just to let you know. Don't worry, this is censored and nothing bad is shown. Don't worry about
Yeah,
it.
nothing.
Nothing bad.
Nothing bad at all.
Even the scene at the end is
Okay.
censored. Yeah.
Oh no.
There is an uncensored cut from what I've heard, but we are obviously
I don't
not
wanna
seeing.
watch that.
We're not watching it. Don't. They didn't censor that. They should have. The hand holding. Don't show it again, please. So what do you guys think of episode 2? Do you want to die yet?
What this video is playing, this is what I feel.
Nothing's.
Well, you're gonna love it because we got another 10 episodes.
Am I supposed to be feeling strong hate yet?
No.
Not yet.
Okay.
This is the build up to it.
There is
It's
one.
just not high
No,
quality.
it's very low quality, and then there's one specific fucking moment that just kicks it all off.
Even now, the evil seed of what you have done germinates within you.
And me, I'm a fucking cesspool of mess.
Yeah, you're pretty awful.
Yeah, we
Wait a
know.
minute.
A pain to sink it.
Fuck it. I want to kill myself.
Cael just shot himself.
We are now down to 3 people.
Oh no.
Right now,
Wait, 3?
That
Wait.
tape didn't work.
Shit. Yeah.
No, it didn't work. Is that it? Oh,
Whoa!
wait, hang on.
I
That
just
was-
noticed that.
That was actually weird.
I think that might have actually been a. Yeah.
No.
Oh. I watched it on Crunchyroll because it's legal, and you can sign up now for a 30-day trial.
Shut up, you fucking.
Other streaming services are available. I love pickles.
Practice safe sex, kids. Or do something else.
Just don't have sex ever.
Yeah,
No more
abstinence
children.
is the key. That's the only way you don't get pregnant. I fell down some stairs. How'd you get pregnant? I fell down some stairs?
Okay. I think you just.
Run!
Those doors are not open for very long.
No, they gotta go.
It's like 2 seconds.
They gotta go.
That was more than 2 seconds, Matt.
I said it was light.
Mark, please put a fucking timer on the screen and show this man how long it was.
Yeah.
You mean to take off my shirt and give you an example? I'll show you some male anatomy right now.
It's-
Oh, hey, did stuff
That's-
happen? I don't
That's
know.
what
maybe.
the thought players do.
Basically, Kotonoha was like,
If they are alive,
oh
they
no,
are
don't
a
touch
thought.
me. I don't like that. You're being weird. And then she left, and he was like, oh, I'm sad. And like ring hair girl was like, you better not be breathing on my man, even though, no, you better not be breathing near Sekai's man, because I think he's Sekai's man.
And then Sekai over and over again is like, no, he's not my man. And then this bitch keeps saying that he is.
That also happens with green hair girl.
The better question to ask is, what girl does it not happen with?
Why do you like it?
Sekai.
Rub the cat skin with the ebonite rod, as in diagram 1, and then place the rod near the leaf electrometer and watch it bleed. So
This
This
is
is the highlight of the show.
grab the wire mesh by the handle.
This is easily the best part of the
It
show.
is easily the best part of the show. Note passing and teacher senpai is
No,
only
the
good
note
parts.
passing is just annoying because it distracts from teacher.
No, it's the only part that we get to hear teacher. That's why it's okay.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Thick collarbone.
We need to see it every time.
Stop.
Think about it. We have to go through Nekujishi because of this.
No, god damn it.
I can't speak.
Stop!
Oh my fucking god! Every time! Did I mention this was a hentai game?
Yes!
Good. I'm not gonna get pissy over it because, like, you know, you go into this expecting that, but
I went in expecting this to not really care, which is what I'm doing.
okay. Don't worry, the little sister does not get involved.
Good.
Good.
Good job, Japan. You did it.
You did it good,
All
Japan.
high
I
school.
feel like lemon
It's my name.
No!
What? What is happening?
Oh, she kissed him on the cheek. He doesn't.
Oh,
This is a pivotal moment.
Is it?
Yes, because it makes. Because you see, in a VN, we should be able to hear the inner monologue of, "Hey, she kissed me on the cheek. I don't feel great about that because I got something a little more last time when I got kissed on the mouth." But we don't fucking get that here because it's an anime, and this is the first problem with the adaptation.
You can do inner monologue in an anime, you guys.
But they don't. They don't until episode 12, which is the final episode. Are you guys ready?
We should.
Are you guys ready for the bombshell? Yeah, boy!
What's going on?
Konoha, which is the chick who he took a picture of in the first episode,
Oh.
and has been going on dates with, and Sekai has been helping him. He is now saying, I am getting tired of spending time with this person that I tried so hard to be with.
What a likable character.
And it only gets better.
We spent 3 episodes doing nothing.
Is there a good ending to the VM?
There is, yes.
Define good.
I've seen a playthrough of it.
It's the good ending where they all get nuked.
The good.
Yes, Daddy.
You know, I just want to fuck her on like the second date, you know.
And just dump her.
Yeah, dump her. I am a normal, well-adjusted human being.
Oh yeah, oh Jack. No. Oh yeah.
Bitch lasagna.
It's not that I didn't want him to. Bitch, you very clearly didn't want him to.
Why is the bed?
She's so submissive about it. She just needs to grow a fucking pair and, you know, say, hey, I don't like this.
Has a pair.
You know what?
A
Grow
giant
another
freaking
pair!
pair
Become an
on her
alien!
chest.
Wait, yeah, what are these shots? I guess they just ran out of interesting things to oh, this is Makoto's. Oh god, that's gross.
It's time to stop.
Oh no, I think I realized what that it was.
Oh.
I don't
No,
think
he
it's
was-
possible
he was
to do
doing-
that all of that
He
in a
was
day.
drawing. He was doing.
Somebody died after a 53.
He was-
53!
Holy shit.
This show has an 8.2 rating from TV.com.
Fuck off, TV.com.
Oh,
You know what?
72% of Google users like this show.
Fuck off, Google
7 out of 10
users.
on IGN, right?
Why is the phone so huge?
I don't think anyone legitimately believes that this is a good show other than the purpose, the
People
why it
like
was
Sword Art.
designed.
I guess.
No, it's a good show for what it tried to deliver.
No.
No, do you know what it tried to
Well,
deliver?
I know
It's
it's
literally stated when directing it, they wanted to piss off the viewer as much as possible.
But
What happened? Are you pissed? Is that why you say you don't like it? Yes.
I'm not saying I don't like it because it made me angry. I just notice a lot of shit in it that's not especially well written, and the fact that it's
all
trying to.
intentional, Mark.
I realize that, but at the same
Then
time,
why
that
are you
doesn't
saying
make it good
doesn't
writing.
do it? It gets a good writing for what it tried to deliver.
No,
It gets a good
nobody
writing
acts
for
like a
that.
normal fucking human being.
And that's the point.
But that
Wrap
doesn't
your
make it
fucking head around
good.
That the good rating isn't based off of the show. They're keeping in mind the fact of what it's trying to give. A shitty experience.
But that
It gave
doesn't
you a
make
shitty
it
experience.
good.
But if you really try something, I'll scream. This is just practice.
This is just quote unquote practice.
It's electric.
It's just acting. Sure.
It's just practice, right?
Holding hands. No.
Ah!
Oh
Put a huge sensor.
Ah! No!
Wait, why aren't these two in a relationship?
Because
How do they
he's a
manage to
fucking
draw it?
idiot.
Man, if you kiss me, I kill you. Even though, you know,
I'm the one who
before you
instigated
got on the
this.
train, I kissed you.
And instigated this current bout of kissing.
Whisper sweet nothings in my ear. Makoto-kun.
I love you.
It's free real estate.
It's free real estate.
Oh wow, her mouse isn't even moving. Even in the version that I
Oh my god.
even in the version that I'm watching, it wasn't moving. So it's not like an internet problem. That's
what
just
happened
bad
was the
animation.
starts-
It's not.
Oh boy, that can go poorly at all.
It's gonna be a swimsuit.
Water park.
Water park
Gotta
episode.
be
My
male
favorite.
swimsuits.
My favorite is for a water park episode of this. You just have to open up with the best shot ever, right?
Oh god. Fucking first
Oh.
frame of the water park
Oh
episode.
no!
The first frame.
I just like men.
Alright, buddy.
Whatever you say.
I like women as well, though.
No.
First frame, bitches.
Oh my god.
Opening shot!
This fucking episode. Oh my god.
It's your favorite.
I hate it.
Okay. It's like that one Pokemon episode.
Are you saying size doesn't matter?
I am
Okay.
absolutely saying that. I am going to discriminate though if it is not a nipple there, there's a little bit of a problem.
It's literally concave.
It's just an open wound. the time. Yes, you grab my breasts. Okay, hand comes out, it's red. What the
No,
fuck?
hand just disappears into the void.
Forever.
Stuck my hand
I
in the
just
void.
grabbed my boob. Haha, I'm a trap. I'm actually eating you alive right now.
Oh no!
No, I was.
Hand enters the second dimension because she's just so flat.
That was a mimic. Yeah, the boob was a mimic. No, only one of the two boobs was a mimic. It wasn't both.
You get a 50-50 chance of getting your hand bitten off.
Yo, if you
It's
get
a
one,
chance thing.
You have 50% for a pleasantry and 50% for a... Well, it could be a pleasantry if you're into that.
Oh. Did I mention this was a hentai game?
Only okay character. I said that earlier. I didn't mean it. Little sister Kun, teacher, and borderline Konoha.
Kotonoha is too pure for this fucking show.
Hold on tight.
Body slam.
He just freaking pile drives her.
Yes, that's what you should do.
Had a she videlled him.
Okay, then you're not
Break
properly
up with-
appreciating the
Shut the
pool.
fuck up, Sekai! Shut the fuck up!
Yeah, that's her character.
What?
Oh no, he's bleeding. Oh wait, no, that's a good thing.
You could, you know, just cut to a shot of her face, you know.
No, you have to scroll up from the lower area.
That poor face.
I want all of these characters to die. So did they totally switch personalities so she's all pushy now?
Well,
He's
it's
not.
more like she's become more accustomed to him, and he's not really into her
Okay.
anymore.
Yeah, no, he's done with this one.
Or, you dingus.
We're friends. We're friends, which is why I got all pissy when, like, I saw you holding hands.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even though I set this relationship up for you,
Yeah.
I'm gonna start acting like an indecisive
I
cunt.
don't like how they just totally swap personalities.
They
Like-
didn't have you to begin with.
No one gives a shit.
No,
But
swap
it
it.
sucks.
The personalities didn't swap. There's the guy who's a bitch and he's remained a
No,
bitch.
their motivations were swapped.
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god, I know it's coming.
Oh no.
What's that? Is Matt feeling things?
No, I think I know what's gonna
I don't
happen.
know. It's in response to what I read.
I don't like that I think I know what's about to happen.
Oh fucking god.
I'm gonna make the worst fucking decision possible.
There's one thing in relation to all of these horrible fucking shows, and it's the parents are never around to do anything.
Yeah!
They don't exist.
Because that would remind the viewer that, hey, these are kids. Even though, you
That'll
know,
remind the viewer that, hey, this is relatable.
I can't wait any longer.
You're both idiots. You're so stupid.
Oh my
Odin
god.
Odin will be the one that cares the most when he sees that. And you're an even bigger brick!
No!
Oh, it's just a hug.
Please don't let this ship sail.
Wow, what a nice man.
Stop!
No. No.
Wow, this guy is a shit. What happened to his face?
Yeah, fuck Konoha.
Yeah. Screw precious cinnamon
Oh
roll.
god. Cinnamon, no. Cinnamon roll, no.
No. No. No. No.
No means yes.
No. No.
Oh, hey, look, a mention of a parent.
Oh no! Oh no! She said no!
No, man.
No!
No.
What do you guys think?